Hello everyone! My name is Anna from Hope 4 and I'm on my first family visit with my colleague Eugene. Today we bring not just gifts but also a message of hope and love. We are incredibly grateful to our valued sponsor James from Beekeeping for Hope. Because of your support, we have been able to provide essential resources and opportunities that empower children and their families to thrive. Together we are Hope 4. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Beekeeping for Hope.
Thank you, James.
Mulțumim, James. Thank you, James.
Thank you, James.
Mulțumesc, James.
Thank you, Beekeeping for Hope.
James, thank you so much. So what can I say? Together we are hopeful.